Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. This video is about the poster skin of the audio player widget brought to you by the Element Pack Pro add-on. To learn about audio player widget, please see this video. Alright, we are inside the editor page and on your left, the widget controls are wide open. From the skin option, select poster. What's special about this skin is it provides you with a background image option, so there's no need for any separate image widget. Just use the poster skin to create any kind of studio profile with the audio player widget. Once the poster skin is selected, let's choose an image here. For more flexibility, you can switch between 5 layout styles. Each layout style has a different presentation style and will fit well with your landing page. Here, the player height option works as the poster image height. The rest of the controls are similar to the default widget settings. Just for demonstration purpose, let's customize a couple of style parts as a finishing touch to the layout. Now, look how brilliantly it shows your audio lists. That's all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to get updates on new tutorial videos. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.